Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to convert decimals to percentages. Firstly, please keep in mind that percent means 100, so you need to multiply the decimal number by 100 and place a percentage sign next to the calculated answer, right? So this is what we do in order to convert a decimal number to a percentage, right? So let's do an example to understand better. In this example, convert 0.123 to percent. So as we read earlier, we need to multiply the decimal number, which is 0.123 by 100. And once you do that, once you have the calculated answer, you place a percentage sign, right, as we have done here. So when we multiply 0.123 by 100, the answer we get is 12.3. And for the final answer, we just place a percentage sign next to the calculated answer. So the answer is 12.3%. Let's try another example. Convert 0.45 to percent. Now here's a good hint, right? Which makes things very easy. Move the decimal point 2 places to the right because we are multiplying by 100, and we'll always multiply by 100, right, when we are converting a decimal number to percent. So all we need to do is, without doing any calculations, we can just move the decimal point 2 places to the right. So as I've done here, right, 0.45, right, I've given some space here, and so if I move the decimal point, which is here at the moment, if I move it 2 places to the right, that means I go this way, that would become 4.5, and then I'll go one more, right, because it's 2 places. So when I do 2 places, the answer becomes 45.0. Now you don't need to write the point and 0 here because it doesn't mean anything, right? It's just 0. So you can leave the answer as 45, and lastly you add the percentage sign, so the answer is complete, right? So answer is 45% because the question is to convert to percentage, so make sure you always add the percentage sign. So that's how easy it is, right, to convert a decimal number to percent. Let's do another example here. Convert 1.3 to percent. So all we'll do is we'll move the decimal point 2 places to the right. So at the moment the decimal point is here, right? It's 1.3. So we'll move one place. Now it becomes 13, right? Because we have moved the decimal point to after 3, which is here. And because we have to move 2 places, we'll move another place. Now when we move the decimal point one more place and there's no numbers, we add a 0. So that's what I've done here, right? So originally the number was 1.3, right? So for example here, I'll put the decimal point here. The decimal point was there, then we moved one place, and then we have to move another place, right? So the decimal point now is here, but we don't need that decimal point because the number now is 130, right? There is no other numbers after the decimal point here to the right of the decimal point. So we don't need to write or include the decimal point. So the final answer becomes 130, and we place the percentage sign next to the 0, making it 130%. Okay, we'll do some questions. So convert the following to percentage. We've got 1.5, 0.5, 0.0025, and we have 21.2. So after we convert these decimal numbers to percentage, these are the answers we get. 1.5 becomes 150%, 0.5 becomes 50%, 0.0025 becomes 0.25%, and 21.2 becomes 2120% or 2120%. And that's how easy it is to convert decimals to percentages, right? Remember, you need to multiply the decimal number by 100, or you can move the decimal point 2 places to the right, and that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. I hope this video does help you, and please subscribe for more.